Hey everyone, welcome back to Front End Insight. Today we are going to learn how to write a program to find the factorial of a given number in JavaScript. Okay, so this is a fundamental programming problem that helps you understand loops, recursion, and maths in coding. Okay, so let's break it down. Okay, so a factorial of a positive number n, okay, is the product of all positive integer from 1 to n. Okay, suppose 1 to n. Okay, so in mathematical terms, n factorial in mathematical terms, n factorial is uh, is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 n minus 2 or like this. Last is 1. Sorry. Like this and then 1. And then it is 1. Okay. So for example, let's take a 5. The factorial of 5 is going to be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so and which is equal to 120. Okay, so this is how the factorial work. 5 factorial. Okay, so let's start by defining our function. We call it find factorial, and it will take a number n as an argument. Okay, so let me write the function. Okay, so find factorial. Okay, and we will give pass and okay. Okay, so we will start by defining a variable result and setting it to 1. Okay, this is because the factorial of 0 or 1 is 1. So we want a base value of 1. Okay, so that is why we give the result as a base value 1. Okay, so now result will store the product of numbers as we multiply them in loop. Okay, let's save it. Okay, so now we will use a for loop to multiply all numbers from 1 up to n. We will start the loop at 1 and go up to including n. Okay, so for for I equal to 1, I less than equal to n up to less than equal to, and then we will do I plus plus. Okay, also this loop we will use. Okay, and then we multiply result, whatever result is of I. Okay, so here result into equal to I is a short way of writing. It's a short way of writing result equal to result into I. Okay, so each time we go through the loop, we are multiplying result by I and building up the factorial. Okay, so once the loop is done, the result will contain the factorial of n. Okay, so let's return the result. Okay, return result. We save it. Okay, and this will give us the final answer when we call the function. Okay, so let's test our function with a few examples to make sure it's working as expected. Okay, so we write the factorial, find factorial, and okay, let me log it first. Console log, then find factorial, and we will pass some value here. Let's pass 5. Okay, so as earlier I explained, the result should be 120. Okay, let me save it once again. So, and let's test our function. Okay, so the result should be 120. So we got the result. Okay, we should, it is returning 120. Let's try with some other example. We'll copy it quickly. And let's pass 6. Okay. I don't know what would be the factorial of 6. Let's try. The factorial of 6 is 120. Sorry, 720. Okay, so the output is 720. So as expected, the function return the correct result. Okay, so let's look at the entire code now, and here's a simple breakdown of how this code works. Okay, we start with result. Okay, we assign the value 1 to the result. Okay, then we use a loop, the for loop, to multiply result by each number of n. Okay, each number of n. Okay, so once okay, so once the loop finishes, result hold the factorial of n, and we return it. Okay, so this method is efficient and easy to understand for calculating the factorial. Okay, so for those interested, there are also recursive way to solve this, where the function calls itself until it reaches 1. If you'd like a video on that, let me know in the comment. Okay, so yeah, that's it. We have written a simple and effective function to calculate a factorial of any positive integer. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment what coding challenges you would like to see the next. Thank you.